everyone, it's LoomingLegends here, and if you don't know who I am already, I'm Emma. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this Loomigurumi shrimp tempura. This is an original design. So before we get on to the tutorial, let's get on with our band count and the supplies you will be needing. So you will be needing a hook. Today I'm using a removable metal hook. You'll be needing a stitch marker or C-clip. Today I'm using a black C-clip. And you will be needing 2 9mm pony beads. So these are in the black color. I will also be showing you how to do bands for the eyes if you don't have pony beads. So for the band count, you will be needing 95 of your tempura color. In this one I used tan. Today I will be using mango. And you will be needing 11 of your shrimp tail color, and I am using red. Without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So we will be starting by making this little shrimp tail for the tempura. So what we want to do is get a band, wrap it around so there are 3 loops on the hook, like that. Grab 2 bands, slide that triple looped cut band through, reclaim, grab another 2 bands and slide these 4 loops over, reclaim, make another one of those on your hook, wrap a band around 3 times, grab double bands, slide through, reclaim, grab another 2 bands, slide through, reclaim, grab 1 band and pull it through everything and reclaim. You can either scooch this up on your hook, or, which I think is a better idea, you can grab a holding utensil. So I'm just using a pencil. So now we can actually get started on the shrimp. So we will be starting off with a magic ring of 5, but also we have to do this with triple wrapped bands. This might sound very confusing, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you want to wrap a band around 3 times, like that. Grab another band and wrap it around 3 times. Grab 1 band, slide through this cap band and this cap band, reclaim, and slip knot. So before we go back in, this top cap band belongs up there, and this bottom cap band is a cap band we're going to go back into. So once we're back in here, we're going to grab another band and wrap it around 3 times. Grab another one of your bands, slide through this wrap band, and then the main cap band, reclaim, and then bring these 2 over the front, like so. So we want to do this 3 more times. And also, sorry if my voice sounds a bit stuffy, it's because allergy season is here for me, and I think that's why I'm super stuffy. So sorry about that. So we want a magic ring of 5, and we are almost there. Like this, you want to grab your C-clip, add it to that front loop around your hook. Okay everyone, our next row is a single crochet followed by an increase, which should get us to 7 stitches, but we're going to do it with the wrap bands. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the wrap bands. You're going to go into the stitch, grab a band, wrap it around so there are 3 loops, grab another band, slide through this cap band and the stitch, reclaim, like so, and then bring these 2 loops over the front. So that's a single crochet, and then we will be putting 2 single crochets into this stitch. So get your band, wrap it around 3 times, grab this loop in this, reclaim. So that's 1 single crochet, go back into that stitch and do another. With the wrap bands, don't forget to add them because it's very important. So we want to do this all the way around until we reach our stitch marker. Oh, also guys, I'm sorry for any background noise. I did a single increase. ending in a single crochet. Sorry. Sorry if you hear the slime in the background. Don't mind it. Okay, so this is what we have now. You guys should have something that looks like this. You want to grab your C-clip and add it to that band on your hook. So we should have 7 stitches around, so let's count. Okay, our next round is a single crochet round all the way around the 7 stitches. So I will be doing this row on camera. So just a row all the way around in the 7 stitches. I'm going to try to stay quiet as possible just so my allergies won't start triggering. So when I talk, my nose sounds really stuffy. So I'm very sorry about that. So this is what we should have now. So I will be showing you how to make the banded eye if you don't have beads. So what you do is you wrap a black band around your hook. So it creates 4 loops. You're going to grab a band, slide it through, and this would be your banded eye. Then for the beads, you would grab a band, pinch the end of the band, and then push this band forward through the bead. So that's 1 bead. You want to make another, pinch and push. So now that we have our beads, we can put these aside for this round. So we are doing another single crochet round, except in the first stitch we will be adding one of our eyes. So go into the first stitch, grab your eye, and no, we are not doing fluff bands for this one stitch because it just be hard. So like that. And then we're going to single crochet with the wrap bands all the way around to our C-clip. And if I'm ever going too fast or slow for you, you can pause or fast forward the video. Wow, that band just snapped. Okay. Yeah, these mango bands, there's something up about them. They just snap a lot easier than normal bands. Not really sure why. It might be the texture, but that's my best guess about why. Okay, so now that we have something like this, you want to grab your C-clip and bring it up. So our next round is a normal single crochet round, so I want you to pause the video and do 1 round of single crochet. Okay everyone, welcome back. So our next round is another round of single crochets, except we will be putting the bead in the stitch where it matches. For me, I have marked down the 5th stitch, but that stitch might change. So let's just do a single crochet until we find that matching spot. So I'm hoping my stitch count is right. So let's try to aim for the 5th stitch. So that's 1. So many broken bands in this bag. This bunch. This is 2. 3, 4, seems just like my other tempura, like this one. 5, as you can see, the eyes align pretty well. So you want to grab your band or bead and put it on in, slide through, reclaim, and stitch. 5, and then 6. And we will be doing an increase in this stitch. So I guess it's not completely a single crochet round. This is exactly what happened to my other tempura, the stitch count. Anyways, there we go. So you clip it back on. We want to do another round of single crochet. I'll just do it on camera because I feel like it. And I think I'm going to start including pausing parts when I say to go to do your row or something. I'm going to put in a blank screen so you can pause the video. I think I might start doing that in our tutorials to make it easier for you. Wow, okay. This kind of reminds me of a churro, so this inspired me to make a churro design. I will make one. I think I should make one. It'll be a nice design, I think. Anyways, now that we have something like this, as you can see the shrimp kind of coming together. Grab your C-clip and put it on your hook. Our next round is a single crochet followed by a decrease. I'll show you how to do a decrease, but first we just need to do our single crochet. Then for our decrease, we're going to grab the front loop of one stitch and then the back loop of the other stitch. Grab your band, wrap it around 3 times. Then grab your other band and slide through those loops, reclaim, and slide. So you want to do this all the way around until you reach your stitch marker. And by the end of this round, we should have 5 stitches. Okay. The stitch count doesn't really matter, so we can put our C-clip aside. So now we want to do one decrease with the fluff band, so... Oh no, a band snapped! Okay, I'll be back. Okay, as I said, one decrease with the fluff. The band snapped, so I had to take that off, which might make this thing look a bit wonky, but it's okay. Yeah, this definitely affected it. Okay. So, and then this decrease, no fluff, just to close it. I don't know if using a mango wind is the best idea, but I'm scared this is gonna snap. Okay, anyways, you want to go in and tuck your slip knot inside your tempura, and we are actually almost done. Okay. You can also adjust the eyes now that it's a bit easier to adjust, and then curve it a bit. Then now that you look at your shrimp, what's left? The tail piece. So yes, bring out your tail piece from the start of the video. Grab it, push these aside, and then you want to go into this top stitch. So I'm just going to keep this on my fingers. Go to the top stitch of the magic ring. I prefer the side of the magic ring, but if you want to do it on the other side, that's fine too. So go into that top stitch. Make sure you only get those 2 loops, not the cap band. Don't pull through the cap band. Just grab your red, pull it through, reclaim, slip knot, not too tight. I'm going to tuck it a bit tighter. Okay. Then we will be tucking this inside our shrimp. The only reason I say not to tuck too tight is I don't want your band snapping. Okay. So there is the shrimp tempura. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel to help us out. And stay tuned for a shout out. Bye!